Good morning, student. Today's session is on ICSE class 10. So, those who are studying in class 9 ICSE and those who are already in class 9, class 10 ICSE, for both of them, I'm going to address a summary session which is inside the ICSE class 10, right? So this will really help you, to those who are studying in class 9 now, then how we are, going to learn ICSE class 10 physics. So ICSE class 10 physics is basically, built on the ICSE class 10 9. So those who are already studying in class 9, I'll show you how they are related to the concept of class 9 will definitely help you to understand the concept of class 10, right? So let me show you. There is a fourth cluster or fourth tower, you can say, in ICSE class 10 physics. So first one is the force, right? Force. In this part, what we have, let me take it more closer so that you can understand. Okay. So force part, what we have, the basic of force is there. Then, work energy, this chapter, right? The force and the work energy and the machines, right? And this is machines. These three are in class 10 ICSE. This is around 25% of the full syllabus, right? Now force. What now? Next, let me cover the all other part. Next part is the light. Light is having mainly light, based on refraction. This light part will be based on the refraction. There are three chapters on refraction for light, okay, and also the spectrum we will learn here. Spectrum. Fine. So three chapters gone. 50% syllabus we covered, right? Next is the electricity part. Electricity part. Let me show you electricity part. So electricity part, basic is the current electricity, like the basic circuits of electricity along with the resistance. All those things will be discussed here. So, for example, you learn Ohm's law, V is equal to IR, and the series and parallel resistance, and how the series resistance looks like. This is an example of series resistance. Now, this will is the yes example of a parallel resistance. These are four resistance. Okay, so these things you are going to learn in the electricity part, and there will be lot of numeric on this part. So now I will come more deeper that how we are connecting class 9 and class 10. Okay, how we are learning of class 9 is going to help you in class 10. And in our academy, here Chatterjee Academy, those who are studying in class 9, we are already helping them so that there will be a basic foundation getting ready for the class 10, right? Now electricity, next part is the power. So power, for example, power is equal to, you can say W by T, or power P is equal to VI. So with all these formulas, there is a chapter called power. Okay, so electrical power you will understand. And next is the two new application you are going to learn in class 10. Okay, an electricity part. So what are those? Those part are electromagnetism and electromagnetic induction, right? So let me brief you that this is new thing in ICSE class 10. So ICSE class 10, the four part I told you. One is the force. Force is having Newton force, three forces and force equations with this different numericals, and few part of circular motions. What is centripetal and what is centrifugal forces? After force, you learn the gravitational force, like where you learn the around the gravity, the relation between force and gravitational force on those part, kgf, right? Kgf, gf, all those part. Then the next part is coming the work energy power. So in work energy power, you will learn the basic definition of work, and bit deeper part of work. There will be theta dependency, there will be angle between the force vector and the displacement. This is a new thing for ICSE class 10. And the next is the conservation of mechanical energy. So mechanical energy will be having both potential energy and the kinetic energy. So you already started learning this part in class 8. Okay, class 8 already you have the kinetic energy, you have the potential energy, and so same thing with some more elastic you are going to learn in ICSE class 10. Okay, now this is part 25%, force, work, energy, power, and the machines. Okay, three type of lever you will be learning here. Okay, and the moment of the force. Moment of the force means, something is in rotation. We are applying the force, things are getting rotated, right? No, sometimes you will observe that there will be no translational motions, only rotational motions happen due to applying a force. In new term, you will learn the torque. Okay, and next the force part gone, work energy gone, machine completed. Next is the light part. So light, ICSE class 10, mostly you will learn the refraction. So refraction means what? So you have to think about the central concept. Refraction means bending of light. So bending of light happen when light is travel from medium 1 to medium 2. So if light is traveling n number of mediums, every time there will be bending of light. Okay, and this all three chapters on diffraction and the spectrum. You know what is spectrum? Spectrum means, the when we are passing a white light inside the prism. So prism is a specific example taking in ICSE or maybe in class 10 we are taking. So light is getting diverged like in 7 colors. Basically it's not 7 colors, we have so many colors, but yes, for ICSE or for class 10 level, maybe for any classes, we are discussing about the VIVGR, the 7 colors, white light getting, splitting of white light to 7 different colors. That's the spectrum. So why this splitting happen? Because of the refraction. The white light is having the wavelength of different color, and different color of wavelength having different velocity in a single medium. So velocities are different, so they are diverging. So this is a spectrum. Okay, so this is a part of light. Now the most interesting part in class 10 ICSE is the electricity part. So electricity concept we are starting from class 8, right? So if I show you in class 8 what you have learned the basic of electrostatic. Electrostatic without knowing Coulomb's law. So Coulomb's law is not mentioned in class 8. Yeah, definitely it's not in part of the syllabus, right? So Coulomb's law, basically it's also in class 9 ICSE also. It's not, we are not learning that level, but electrostatic part is very important. So electrostatic means, charges are having repulsion or attraction, right? Similar charges having repulsion, opposite charges having attractions. Okay, from here we are starting in class 8. Then in class 9 we are learning few part of electrostatic, now mechanism of electrostatic, and next we are starting the current electricity, right? Electrostatic means electrons, it's all about the electrons, right? Electrons are coming out of the atom, or we are saying that free electron. Free electron. So free electron is the, the show maker in electricity. It's all about free electron. So sometimes you learn that positive charges are moving, but no, positive charges are not moving. Its electrons are moving. Apparently we are saying that the positive charges are moving in opposite directions. So new things are current electricity. We are starting from class 9, then we are class 10. So if you have good foundation in class, class 9, that will really help you in ICSE class 10. So in electricity part, class 10 you are learning first the Ohm's law. V is equal to IR. That Ohm's law means the basic circuit. If you focus on the circuit, it will really help you, to get a good concept on electricity. So this is a basic circuit we have. Okay, this is the resistance, this is the voltage source, right? This we are seeing positive terminal, negative terminal, currents are flowing. The symbols are of current is I. Current I is flowing from positive terminal to negative terminal. Now in 9 you have learned what is current. Current means rate of flow of charge. Current means flow of charge, and flow of charge means actually flow of electron. Okay, so current means flow of charge, and Ohm's law, V is equal to IR, means that this current is depend on the applied voltage. More the voltage you are going to apply, more current you are going to receive, right? And also there is an ohmic and non-ohmic